Hi, I'm Seth with Land the House. This is a ram pump. It's a water pump that requires no fuel or electricity to operate, only flowing, falling water. Over the past 2 weeks, I've been testing out pressure tank fill. I've had a pool noodle, a inner tube, and this week is tennis balls. So let's go ahead and open these up, stick them in the pressure tank, and see how well they perform. Whew. Stop this guy from working here. Stand back and try to open this. That's always fun. Closing the delivery pipe too. There we go. Alright, let's stick some tennis balls in here. There we go. Now I can already tell you that if you're going to use a small ram pump, you couldn't use a 2-inch pipe to do this. So that is one downside already to trying this. I think what I'm going to do is run this thing with the delivery pipe closed again. That makes the whole system hit hard and build as much pressure as possible here. I may have to let some of that water out because it's so dirty. We won't get a very good test otherwise. Maybe some of that will settle down here. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and lock this down here. And that pressure is gonna start building up pretty quick in there. Oh, just caved in that one ball. Did you see it? There goes the second one. See if we can get some more. Oh, third one goes. Starting to hit hard now. It's a lot of pressure in that thing. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but that pipe is smacking hard. Water's almost to the top. That topmost ball is almost completely flat. Okay, let's stop this, pull it out, and see what it looks like before we do the longevity test. Pop. I've received lots of comments about getting a pressure gauge for this, and I definitely will do that. I just need to get the funds for it. Okay, well, they've popped back to normal. So let's go ahead and leave them in here for a while and let them have about 3 days of that kind of pressure and see what happens. I'm liking this stainless steel valve a lot. All Land the House ram pumps will have one here in about 2 months. The backside crushed. Oh, second one crushed. Third one. People were asking what happened to the inner tube, and to be honest, it hasn't lost that much air. So maybe what I was seeing before, well, I don't even know what it was, but anyway, I'm gonna refill this and see how well it does on a second run. Okay, we've almost reached maximum pressure here. They're moving up just ever so slightly. So I'm gonna give this, it's Tuesday now, I'm gonna give this until Thursday evening and we will see how well this is performing. Notice how the valve is no longer making the satisfying cycle that it usually has. It's got kind of a weakness to it. So that means all of the pressure available in the tank is gone and the pump is not doing much. But we're gonna let it stay at this pressure 2 days. While we wait 2 days for this to continue to slam these tennis balls, if you would hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell. I now have almost 100 videos on the channel concerning the ram pump, which is pretty awesome. Also, remember there are 4 different sizes available at landtohouse.com, landtohouseshop.com, and Amazon, and eBay. Basically, if you search Land to House ram pumps, you can find them. So if you're in the market for a ram pump, go ahead and hit those links in the description down below. All right, I'll see you in 2 days. It's been 2 days. An interesting thing has happened. Let's check it out. The pressure level, or the water level I mean, is back down. Not really going anywhere as expected because the delivery is closed, but it has moved. Very curious. Pump is still not moving very well because the water isn't moving. Let's go ahead and open up the delivery pipe and see if those tennis balls pop back to their former glory. Here we go. There they go. That's wild. Where's the water going? Will it come back up? I have no idea what's going on here. Hopefully nothing is busted. Let's open this back up and see what we can do. Well, it still had a lot of pressure in there. Okay, let's pull them out. Well, they're still good. I think we're ready to go play a game. So, they have lost a little bit of their firmness, but definitely still full there. No water inside, so they're not really busted. Let's see how well they work with the delivery pipe open as if it was in normal operation. Okay, it's about reached its max typical pressure here. So what I was hoping to see was a little bit of give in some of those tennis balls. I really need to put a marker on the tank here to know a more consistent level. Well, it's definitely giving an air pocket, but how effective it is at pushing back on the water, I'm not really sure. Tennis balls as a pressure tank fill might be effective, but I don't think they're quite giving as much as an inner tube does, because this thing definitely, you could watch it pulse whenever it was in there. But the tennis balls did survive 2 days of a really high pressure. Now, why did the water level go back down? I have no idea. Have not seen that before. But it is definitely clicking away now. Okay, what's coming up next for pressure tank fill? I have racket balls, which do have a bit of give, and then a closed off water bottle. Should be interesting, so stick tuned. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.